Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I want to show you the way how you can send to back the media that you haven't attached into your Google Slides on mobile phone. Let's just do this type of editing with the Google Slide. Type into the app library and then you just need to type slides and then just need to go click it and open. And the next you just need to create a new document. Just go click this new presentation and just creating with the title. Now I would like to add a blank page here and I would like to delete for the first page that have the text on it. The next, tap into this plus button and you just need to tap text box and then just need to type the text here. Let's say I would like to do it 0 and 0, and the next I would like to make it center and I would like to block the text right here. Right after they are being blocked, tap into this alphabet and we need to pick the font first. I would like to make a super big font, which is the impact. This have the thickest font here, and then I would like to increase the size of it. I would like to make the text become bigger. Okay, almost there. And perfect, I already got what I want, and I would like to move this to be more center. The next, I would like to customize the text color. I would like to make the color become black here, and I would like to add a shape with this rectangle, and I would like to change the shape become black, as well as the borders. I also want to make it black. Now we just need to go drag these shapes into the left side and adjusting until the 0 is perfectly met with the border of the shape. Now we just need to copy and paste this and then drag it into the right side to be placed into near with the 0 on the right side. It's quite tricky here, so you can also adjusting for the size too. And the next, you just need to go copy and paste for these shapes and then apply it into the top and bottom side of the text. Again, make sure that you crop it perfectly, and then do for the last to be placed in the bottom, and again adjusting the positions too so that they could be perfectly met with the border. Perfect. And the next, here we already have this. Add the photo that we want to send here. Tap into this plus button, click image, click from photos, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to use and click add. Now we already have this, but how we can send it into the back, tap into the picture and expand this option and tap send to the back. And now this picture is already in the back side of the text. You can also drag it into the specific area that you want to have. So you just need to adjusting everything's perfectly right here. You can adjusting the size too. And then you are done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.